Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about operations on relations. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about the set operations, union, intersection, set difference and symmetric difference. The same concepts we are going to apply it on relations. So our explanation is completely based on the assumption you already have that understanding about set operations. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, it is very simple to understand. We already know these operations. Let A and B are any two relations. You take any two relations, then A union B. It was given as X, A union B, Y. X that is equal to, union operation is equal to X, A, Y. What's the meaning of this? X, A, Y means X, Y is an ordered pair that belongs to the relation A. X, Y is an ordered pair that belongs to the relation B. So A union B means you take any ordered pair that belongs to A or that belongs to B. That is what union operation means. Same as set operation, set union. Similarly, A intersection B means X, A intersection B, Y is equal to X, A, Y and X, B, Y. You take any ordered pair, that ordered pair should belongs to A and B. Means it belongs to both the relations. Then only it belongs to A intersection B. Similarly, X, A minus B, Y is same as X, A, Y and X not belongs to B, Y. Means you take any ordered pair, it should belongs to A and it should not belongs to B. Similarly, set symmetric difference same as A symmetric difference B relations is given as X, A union B, Y minus X, A intersection B, Y. So symmetric difference A plus B is given as A union B minus A intersection B. The same concept which is going to be applied here. We take an example and understand for better understanding. Let's take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3 is a relation. B is 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2 is a relation. So out of these two relations, A union B is given as you take any ordered pair, it should belongs to A and it should belongs to B. B means all the ordered pairs of A and B. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4 means we write it only one time. 3, 3, 4, 2. That is what A union B. Similarly, A intersection B means you take any ordered pair, it should belongs to A and it should belongs to B. Means common elements. 2, 4 is the A intersection B. Similarly, X, A minus B is given as you take any ordered pair, it should belongs to A and it should not belongs to B. Means 1, 2, it should not belongs to B. 2, 4, it belongs to B. So don't add it. 3, 3, it belongs to A, it does not belongs to B. So our A minus B is 1, 2, 3, 3. Similarly, set symmetric difference A plus B is given as X, A union B minus X, A intersection B. What is X, A union B? This is what X, A union B, Y means this is what the relation is. X, A intersection B, Y means this is what relation means. A minus B, this minus this. Means 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4 is common to both. So don't add it. 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2. So A symmetric difference B is given as 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2. These are the operations which we are going to do on relations. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.